Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Some of us have stairs where all the showers or baths are located, but if you are unable to go upstairs, how do you shower? This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. Because I have acquired ataxia, it's usually caused by something. For example, mine was caused by seizures and strokes to the cerebellum. Depending on the type of ataxia, it can be slow progressing, but my ataxia was instant. To make a long story short, it's like one day you're fine and when you wake up the next day you have ataxia. I was not prepared for the struggles of ataxia. Due to this, I did not have an opportunity to have showers downstairs or a place where they're accessible. In my mind, I knew I needed to walk ASAP. I didn't have a choice. The sooner I could get to a proper shower, the better. Because the showers were on the second level, I could not access them via my wheelchair. It was impossible to even stand. You might say to yourself, get a stair lift or an elevator, right? Wrong, those can be unattainable items. You could go to a gym, but what happens if you don't have a membership? A friend's or family's house might work? I know, have someone carry you up the stairs. That will work. No. These can be options for some people, and for others that's not an option. So what did I do since I was unable to go upstairs? Well, I rolled outside and showered with a hose. Yes, the same hose you use to water your garden, flowers, plants, etc. Wasn't I worried about neighbors? Yes, but where the house is located, neighbors are not an issue. Good thing for warm water because I had the hose connected to the sink. If I didn't have hot water, it definitely would have reminded me of a cold plunge. Ever done one? Comment below if you have. Cold plunges involve immersing your body in cold water for a short period of time, typically around 10 to 15 minutes. The benefits of cold plunges are numerous. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, boost circulation, and even increase your metabolism. Many people also find that cold plunges improve their mood and mental clarity, helping them feel more focused and energized throughout the day. Not to mention, cold plunges can also help improve your immune system, making you less susceptible to illness. Always consult your physician, but have you ever wondered what it's like to do cold plunges with ataxia? I know you might have been told to stay away from hot and cold environments. I personally have found this not to be true. Cold plunges have been shown to have numerous health benefits for people with neurological issues. While it may be daunting at first, the benefits make it worth it. The cold water provides a refreshing jolt to your system and helps you feel invigorated and energized. So if you're living with ataxia like me, don't let it hold you back from trying new things. Embrace the cold and see how it can benefit you. To go back to showering, no one wants to shower with cold water. Thus why having an accessible shower is so important, even though you might think you'll never need it. Take a fool's advice, because I thought the same thing. I wish I thought things out better. There are several options available to make showering easier and safer for those with disabilities. One popular choice is a roll-in shower, which eliminates the need to step over a barrier. This allows for easy access for wheelchair users. Another option is a walk-in shower with a low threshold, making it easier for individuals with mobility issues to enter and exit the shower. Grab bars and shower seats can also be installed to provide extra support and stability while showering. For those who prefer a bath, a walk-in bathtub with a door can provide a safe and comfortable bathing experience. No matter your needs, there are plenty of accessible shower options available to help make daily tasks more manageable. With a spacious layout and convenient features such as grab bars and adjustable shower heads, these accessible shower options provide comfort and independence. No more struggling to maneuver in a traditional shower or relying on assistance from others. Our goal with every video is to make everyday tasks like showering more manageable and enjoyable for everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to press that like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for your support.